Here we are going to explain you how to synchronize and desynchronize the Stylo remote driver with the remote. It has been assumed that you have connected all the 4 panels to the respective drivers. The drivers have been connected to the electric supply over here and the supply is off. I am going to now start the procedure. You are kindly requested to observe. I have the remote in my hand at the moment. Initially, I will start the desynchronization procedure. For the desynchronization procedure, I switch on the lights and immediately press the setup button followed by the on button for continuously 8 seconds. Now these lights go off and the desynchronization procedure is over. You can see pressing of any of the remote buttons have now no effect. So in short, the panels are desynchronized. Now I'm going to switch them off and I'm going to follow the synchronization procedure. The synchronization procedure involves either pairing all the 4 panels to one single switch, or you can pair one panel to each switch. I'm going to now explain you the procedure to pair all the 4 panels with one single switch and then followed by one individual panel by one switch. You can choose either of the options. To ensure, you must see that all the panels are connected together if you want to synchronize them to one switch. I will keep the on and off button of the first switch depressed together and power it on. That's it. The panels are synchronized. You can see they all are synchronized to switch number 1. Now to individually synchronize the panels, I will follow the desynchronization procedure again. For that, I will switch the panels off. I will wait for about 30 seconds. It is necessary to wait for 30 seconds, otherwise the unpairing or the desynchronization procedure does not work well. To desynchronize, I once again ensure that all the panels are connected together. I will switch on, followed by the setup button and then the on button. Once it flashes, it ensures it is desynchronized. Now you can see pressing of any of the button has no effect on the panels. I will now switch all the panels off. To synchronize one panel with each switch, I have to ensure that only that particular panel is connected to the electric supply and the others are off. So I will keep panel number 1 connected and remove panel number 2, 3 and 4. Now I will keep switch number 1 depressed and start the power. Yes, that's it. Panel number 1 has been synchronized. After that, I switch the power off. It is important to remove panel number 1 before you connect panel number 2. You connect panel number 2. Follow the same procedure but now with switch number 2. I keep switch number 2 depressed and give power to panel number 2. That's it. Panel number 2 has been synchronized. I switch the power off again. Remove the connection. Now I put panel number 3. I would follow the same procedure but with switch number 3 depressed now. That's it. Panel number 3 has been synchronized to switch number 3. I once again power it off and remove it. Now I put the last panel, panel number 4, and repeat the same procedure with switch number 4. Keep it depressed, power it on. That's it. Panel number 4 has been synchronized. Now power it off. Now you can connect all the panels back as required. Now you can power them on. All the panels have gone on. With the master on-off button, you can switch all of them off or switch all of them on. You can change the color temperature with the K switch. Once more. Now you can individually control each panel using the switches. Say I switch 1 with off, switch 2, panel number 2 off, switch 3, panel number 3 off, switch 4, panel number 4 off. To switch on once again, press the on button. With this, we end the procedure for synchronization and desynchronization. Thank you very much.